Beautiful day in Chicago. Oh my God. Got him. Good catch, man.
Sir?
That's what we come out here for, baby.
Gotta be.
3-2.
359.
Do you smell all the fishies? Oh, dude, doubled up. Wow. This is definitely the most clear I've ever seen it. There's like a 2-3 pounder right here. No joke. Just gonna extend the net. Start fishing right here. It's probably gonna make it super challenging with how clear it is. But I'm up for the challenge. I brought some 8-pound fluorocarbon and some good baits. So hopefully we've got what we need to catch them today. I'm gonna start with this little paddle tail. Got a 7-foot medium action HMG rod, 20-pound braid on it, and an 8-pound fluoro leader. I've got an 1/8 ounce jig head on here. Should do the trick. Alright, I saw that fish swim from like right to left, so I'm gonna kind of drop my bait down right over there and slowly swim it along the bottom here. See if he'll come back and maybe pick this up. Basically just lifting and dropping it off the bottom, just kind of slowly bringing it in. Here we go, push on. Oh, the little guy. He is fighting hard. Sweet, we don't even need to net this fella. Let's go. First fish of the trip. Whoa, sorry, buddy. Hang on, buddy. Jeepers. These smallies have so much strength, especially for the size. This little guy, it's amazing how hard he fights. But I can only imagine one 3 or 4 times the size of him. And there's definitely a lot of those out here. So hopefully we get an opportunity to tangle with his big brother. Awesome. Literally 5 minutes into the day, got our first fish. And this little 3.3 inch swim bait. See if we can catch some more. I'm gonna actually go find my boy Jake, and then we're gonna start fishing again. But yeah, I'm happy. Literally within the first handful of casts we caught one. It's a cool way to start the day. I was just walking along this seawall here and I thought there was a carp just hanging out by the wall. I'm like, no way. Is that really a carp? And I look closer, I'm like, that could be a smallmouth. Like, yeah, I'll just drop down my bait and see what he does. As soon as I drop my bait down, he turns and I see that it's a smallmouth. And then as I'm casting at it, I thought I was filming. Apparently I wasn't. But as I was casting at it, a bigger one rolled by. Oh my God. Got him. No way. I felt him bite, but then it's like he got me caught up in something. No way. I literally felt thunk thunk, set the hook, and I was hung up. That sucks. I'm just gonna keep walking and find my buddy, and then I'm gonna start fishing. There are so many stinking smallies along this seawall. It's insane. I'm gonna try a topwater actually, which is kind of a bold move, but.
And I brought my topwater box just for that reason, just in case.
Yeah, I was like, you know what? The odds of me wanting to throw a topwater are pretty slim, but I was like, I'd like to at least have one in case if I do. And the conditions are perfect right now. I'm like, yep, I want a topwater on. Let's give this a try. Not at all. Oh, look at this smallie. He's literally staring up at us. Oh my gosh, this place is freaking sick. I love it. No. Heck no, bro. Get out of here. I almost just caught that seagull. Dude, he came out of nowhere, bro. He was about to pick that thing up. Nope. Get out of here. Seagulls sure as hell like it. My gosh. Stinkers. Hey, watch out. That seagull's on the prowl.
Yeah.
Dude, one just exploded on it right as I looked away. Little topwater smallie action in the city.
That's the best, is it? Right here? Straight.
Oh my god, no, that's gotta be a. Oh my god, is that a bass, dude? Dude, that looks like a drum. Oh my god, that is a bass. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts.
I always like carrying 2 rods, but I didn't want to carry 2 rods today because of in the ass.
Same.
It would be nice to have the top water, get them in, and then throw the plastic literally right behind it.
Yes, bro. Yeah, I told myself this is like gonna be a 1 rod challenge today. I've never done this before, but I'm like, I'm gonna do it today. 1 rod, that's all I need. Now I'm regretting it. We'll make it happen. Bet. I'll see you in a few.
Sounds good.
All right, so Jake's about to go move his car. And in the meantime, we are gonna be fishing hard. Hopefully we can get one. What a beautiful day in Chicago. No. Damn seagull. These dang seagulls are gonna be a real problem. Oh my god. Dude! This big one just ate it right here. Oh my god, no way. Dude, that was the craziest eat. Holy smokes. I cannot believe he got off. He literally T-boned it, but he didn't get the hooks.
Any luck, brother?
I actually just missed a really nice one. And then I caught a little one down there.
small
But
one?
yeah.
Oh, you're fishing a frog.
Dude, it's actually a topwater, like walk the dog bait.
This guy knows how to work this frog.
Just last cast, one
He came up and
smoked it
blasted?
right there. It was a huge, my personal best. Yes, one of my favorite lures.
At least you're not using live bait.
Nah, dude, that's no fun
Dude,
to
I'm telling you,
me.
these guys over there, they're dipping it in like it's like you're like a trout.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
it's just not my thing. This is more fun.
These bass don't play.
No.
This is the best time too. It's not that hot.
You doing a live stream or something?
Yeah.
Nice.
Good luck,
Yeah.
brother.
Thanks, man. You have a good day, all right?
You too.
Good luck with the live streaming too. Just move down a little bit.
it'll be fine. I mean, but it's just not gonna be. Not gonna be like Italy was.
Oh my God, nice smallie right here. Come on, he missed it. Got him. No! Are you kidding me right now? Dude, I'm heartbroken. That was a really nice one.
We'll go down the other side of this dude.
Bet. Oh my God, I just had one boil on it. Oh, damn. Thought for sure he was gonna get it.
You came from deep too?
Yeah. I set the hook before I even had that one hooked. I just got too excited. Almost every time I use topwater, I feel like I have to relearn the fact that you just cannot set the hook on these fish until they have it. You gotta watch them take it down or feel them basically take it down. If I see a splash right now, I can't just set the hook. I gotta wait. Once he eats it, then I'll set the hook. Dude, it really is. Yeah. Come on. Really nice one, chased it in. Oh! Come on. One came all the way up to it. Still chasing it. Just eat it, bro. Come on, dude. Alright, I'm gonna do a drop shot.
You went back on a jig again,
I'm actually gonna do a drop shot. Oh God, dude. I still have them. I knew I had a bite. It's a decent one. Yo, Jake. Dude, yo, cast your bait here. Cast your bait right here. Dude, there's some giants following it. Holy smokes. Honestly, dude, giants following it. That's crazy. Sweet. On the drop shot. Let's go. Holy smokes.
Finally did it.
Hell yeah.
That's such a pretty fish.
All right, see you, buddy. Thank you.
Thanks for playing.
Heck yeah. That was fun. Dude, I literally felt dook, 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 set the hook, and then it was hung up. Walking over to try and free it up, and then I kind of like gave it some slack line, and then it swam out of there.
Underneath the...
Yeah, these are the worms I was using. If you want to use one, you're more than welcome. Yeah, here you go, dude. No problem. Holy smokes, did it take a while to get fish number 2. But we did it. Just using that little flat worm on a drop shot. And we walked all the way down to the shed aquarium. And we're feeling most confident over here, so we're gonna kind of fish here pretty hard. Ooh, that one just felt the bite. And we're gonna see what happens. Everyone's out having a good time today. Saturday in the city, baby. Let's go. Oh no.
He
Damn.
shook his head and spit it. That was a good fish.
Ooh, yeah, there's a nice one right there. Oh gosh, got one. Let's go. Oh shoot. Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, buddy. Hang on, buddy. I'm gonna get you back. All right. Fish number 3. Just bonked his head. I'm gonna get him back quick. Sorry, buddy. There we go. Little one. Sweet. Come here, buddy. I think that's fish number 4. Man, these fish are chowing. All of them are pooping on me. That was a lot of fun. Happy we're figuring them out. This black and purple seems to be doing the trick. Once I run out of, I got 4 more in there. So once I get down to 2, then I'll try a different color. But as of right now, I'm gonna keep throwing this until a little later, and then I might tie on the topwater again. That was so much fun. Really, really wish I would have caught those fish this morning. But it is what it is. We will hopefully get them tonight.
Like 1, don't say salmon. 2, that's all.
Little fella. But hey, we don't discriminate. Oh, and there he goes. Quick release. Yep. Because, dude, it's way cheap. Oh, there we go. Little. Might even be a goby. No, it's a little smallie. What's up, little buddy? Little fish deserve love, too.
So like that's doable.
Right.
And then they've got 3 bedrooms,
See you, buddy.
houses.
Let's go, dude.
Yeah.
Bingo, baby.
Hey,
Dude, that is a good one. What a beauty.
it's a solid fish.
That is,
Big
dude.
one too.
Good catch, man.
You say? Off we go.
Just goes to show I should have mine in. Just about to fill up my water bottle. Might as well do it with the lure in the water. Jesus Christ. Dude,
Yeah, there you go.
the dead stick, baby. Nah, it's okay. Damn, dude. This thing is tugging. Oh, yeah.
No, that's a drum, no?
Oh, is it? Yeah, it might be. Damn, dude. This guy is fighting hard.
You want another or?
I got him.
There you go.
Sweet. Thanks, man. Look at that. Let's go. All right, see you, buddy. It's probably the nicest one of the day. Sweet. There we go. What the? Bro.
Cassette player.
Dude, that's geek. That's like a Walkman.
That's unreal. That is barely one of the coolest things I've seen caught.
That's hilarious. Coolest catch of the day. Let's go. Another little one, but hey, I'll take it. While I was eating the Slim Jim. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Oh no. Well, Dang. Probably should just put him in the net so he didn't bonk his head, but that was fun. Dang, this thing got messed up. Well, let's get back to it. Yeah, dude, I got a good one. Yeah, I should be able to handle it. Holy smokes. I didn't realize the GoPro wasn't filming for it, but let's go. It's the biggest one of the day for sure. What a beautiful fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Hell yeah. That is a beauty. Look at that. Man, shocked I didn't get that whole thing on video. Thought I was filming, but my bad, guys. Nonetheless, super pumped. Was really hoping to get a good one, and that is definitely a good fish right there. Hoping to catch one like the ones that I missed this morning, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep on grinding real hard, see what happens. Stay pretty late tonight. Got parking till 8, so probably stay till around then.
Every year I'd lose them, but I would get a new one in Eagle River when we went up there for our yearly trip. They'd sell them at the gift shops. It was like one of those.
The first time I heard, oh shit.
No way!
Dude, big one. That feels good at
Going?
least.
Oh, you got the camera going?
Yeah.
Yeah, just making sure.
Holy
That might be a
smokes.
pike. Over here. Let me help you.
Holy smokes, dude. Literally took the rod right out of my hand. It's a nice smallie.
Yeah. Oh,
Dude, it really is.
just sitting there with the rod, man.
Dude.
Oh,
Wow. Dude, that is a toad. Holy smokes. Let's go, you guys. That is the fish that I came out here for. Thank you so much, dude.
I'm trying to get this line.
No, you are all good, homie.
Holy.
Oh, that's what we come out here for, baby.
Yeah, measuring it out.
I've got the scale too. Holy smokes. Give him a breath. Just literally dead sticked. I'm gonna do that a lot more now. Holy crap, you guys. I'm guessing like at least 3.
Gotta be.
Yeah, 3-2. Let's go. A beauty.
You gonna get a measurement or not?
Nah, that's alright. He should turn back over, but maybe not. Is he? There he goes.
He's all good. He's getting his wits.
Let's go.
Great fish, man.
Dude, thank you so much. Alright, after we lose these worms, we're going back to topwater.
Yeah.
I think it's only right.
Alright.
Oh man, I lost everything too. Oh yes. Alright, I'm gonna throw the topwater
Yeah,
back
I'm gonna go
on.
top where it just breaks.
See what happens.
Let's see. $3.5? $3.59.
Dude, let's go. That's a stud. That's a beauty.
Thank you, brother. Get your weights back.
Hey, bro, what was the weight?
3.5.
2.5?
3.5.
3.5?
Woo! Well, dude, I've got to go back to my car anyway for more water.
Alright.
So if you want, man, I'll bring you back a rod. And you're more than welcome to fish
You
longer.
sure?
Yes, bro.
Alright, cool.
For sure.
Well, I appreciate that.
There's no reason to end the day early, bro. It's been unless if you want to, I mean, obviously. But dude, that sucks. Yeah, man, that ain't the way to go out.
Break it rod, at least it was a badass.
That's sick, bro. Aww. What's his or her name?
Clementine.
I love that name.
That's so perfect.
I've got a dog at home named Pancake.
Oh, that's a great name for a dog.
I think food names are so funny. I just think it's hilarious.
There's a dog in my building called Mustard.
Oh
It's
my
a good dog name, yeah.
That's hilarious.
Ready?
Yeah. Some nice weeds, nice rock, like wood stuff down here.
Nice shade.
Yeah, dude, it feels nice over here. Back to the top water. Oh, hi, Clementine. Hi, buddy. Do you smell all the fishies?
Have a great
Oh,
day.
bye. See ya. Let's go. Back to the OG spot where we had all the action earlier. Throwing topwaters. Hopefully we can stick a couple and land them this time. I'll keep you guys posted. It's been a great day out here in Chicago. It's been so much fun.
What time is it?
7:15.
Get a couple casts and start walking back.
Yeah. Oh man. Just had a nice one go after it. There were two chasing it in, bro. Let's go. Oh, dude, doubled up. Doubled up. Oh, no. Bro, I got a giant on, I think. Feels real nice.
Fighting like crazy.
Dude,
You finally got your top water.
let's go.
He's fighting, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how big it is, but no, you're all good, dude. I can edit it out. I don't think it's as big as I thought it was gonna be, but
Then let's go. He's only got the back hook.
let's go, dude. Sweet.
Dude, yeah, I'm glad we netted that.
Yeah, holy smokes.
Nice fish. There we go.
Thanks, brother. Hang on, buddy. Let's go. What a way to end the night. We got like 30 minutes left for parking, but we had to come to the OG spot. We've had a lot of action over here, so happy we came out here. Had to throw my top water, hoping to catch a couple more, so stick around and hopefully we do. Look at how healthy this fish is. It's not that long, but my gosh, is it gorgeous. All right, back he goes. Sweet. Wow, that was so fun. On my favorite topwater, baby. What? I would think it'd be no wake, but we'll start making our way back to the car. Bubbles. Dude, big one just boiled on it.
Yeah?
Oh my god. Just went after it. Come back, come back. Come back. make it a buzzer beater. Like 40 minutes left before our parking pass is expired, so we extended it, and already I'm happy we did, because we're taking our time to fish our way back. And it's already been worth it. I missed one just a second ago, just a really nice one, so hopefully another one will commit and we catch it. It's 8:30 already. It's that time. I want it to end. Well, guys, the day is officially ending in Chicago. It was such a blast. Cannot wait to get back out here. Hoping to get back out here soon to experience that topwater bite again. That was so much fun. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'm literally running back to my car because my reservation is about to be up. I extended it all the way till 10. I was hoping to see some fireworks, but they did like a parade or something. And yeah, I didn't end up getting to see fireworks. I gotta get back to the car. So, thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.